It does help to have somebody up above there holding that. It's a little tricky to first get it started. If it feels like it's tight, you cross thread and so back up and start over. Okay, see how it's easy now? Get that tightened up there. Okay, got it. Now this is where you want to double check upstairs, make sure it looks good. And then I'm going to give it a tweak with the basin wrench. Just a little bit. Okay. Double check one more time. Look good up there. Perpendicular. Yeah, if it's off more than an eighth of an inch, then it won't look right. Just tighten your set screws here. Okay, spout. Alright. Okay. Swivels. But what's critical is the little hole here has to be on the back side. So we're going to line it up like that. Spouts facing the front, holes in the back. Okay. I'm going to take this off. And it's got a rubber gasket. Let's see. I'm going to take that off. And my helper's going to slide that to you. Signature. Rubber gasket on first, and then the metal. And then it goes like this. Like that. Upstairs here. Hopefully you can see that up. It's a little tricky, you gotta do it by one hand. So hold it, get started. You got a long ride all the way up. You see that? Oh, about halfway. Let me switch hands. Okay. Now, you want your rubber to be underneath there, so I had to back it up a little bit to get that to happen. Now,